Sesame Street, you'll see Big Bird leave Sesame Street for the very first time. So stick around for more. Stick around for Big Bird leaving today on Sesame Street. Okay, here we go. I'm going to sing. Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Can you tell me how to get? Can you tell me how to get? Come and play. Everything's okay. Friendly neighbors there, that's where we meet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Can you tell me how to get? Can you tell me how to get? It's a magic carpet ride. Every door will open wide. The happy people like you. Happy people like, what a beautiful sunny day. Sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? 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 Oh, hi. Welcome to Sesame Street. You're just in time to see Big Bird and his brother leave. Well, Elmo Cookie Monster, I have to leave. I promised. Well, me and my brother are gonna go visit. We're gonna make some new friends. We're gonna go visit some other countries. Here we go. Here we go. We're on our way with an amazing trip across the USA. So many neighborhoods to greet, and friends and families to meet all across America. Whoa, whoa, from our street to your street. Whoa, whoa, la 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 la. Here we go. La 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 la. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go pack our stuff, brother. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, Big Bird. Have a nice trip. See you real soon. Bye-bye. Elmo, do you think we should go visit them? Maybe we should visit them all across America. Whoa, whoa, from our street to your street. Whoa, whoa. Everybody sing. La 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 la. Here we go. La 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 la. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go.
Girls and boys, are you having fun?
Woohoo! Oh.
Which is why I'd like to say thank you to our host and hostess, Farmer Jimmy and Mrs.
Cookie Monster Elmo, you came to visit us? We sure did, Big Bird. Oh, you guys are so sweet.
Farmers everywhere.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Every day.
You're welcome, friends.
Heads up on our tables. I think that's super duper.
We had so much fun visiting you guys in different countries like Mexico and Australia too. And don't forget England and all the other countries. We can visit all the countries if they're far away from Sesame Street, 'cause Sesame Street is far away. And now, that was fun. Let's do it again real soon. We had fun visiting all the countries today. We had so much fun. We wish we can do it again, but we will do it real soon. Well, we better get back to Sesame Street. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Woohoo! Bye-bye. I hope you had a fun adventure with my friends, because that was the greatest adventure that they ever had. Because I'm a bear, I had fun, and next time when I go to visit countries, I want to go to. And don't forget me. And don't forget me too. Elmo and Bert, you can come too, yeah.